Hi and welcome to episode number 613 with Whats4Chow.com. It has been some time since I did a channel update, and now is as good a time as any. It has been 4.5 years since Whats4Chow was born, and in that time I've racked up millions of views and tens of thousands of loyal viewers. The success and ongoing success of the channel and website is largely due to your wonderful support, and I thank you all for that. Currently we are working on some major upgrades to the website, which will make it even more user-friendly. I have migrated the site to a much more powerful hosting server, which has improved the page loading speeds by more than 100%. The site is now fully SSL compliant, meaning it is secure for all of our visitors to spend time. The recipe publishing software platform has also been updated to make everything more user-friendly. The search functions and recipe conversion utilities have had a complete overhaul, and I hope that the changes make everyone's lives easier. Another major change that will be implemented soon is the mobile-friendly upgrades. With almost 50% of our website traffic now coming from the mobile internet users, the site is being converted to a totally responsive theme, which will serve desktop viewers and mobile users equally well. These upgrades are ongoing and should be completed within the next few weeks. On the production front, I have a whole load of exciting new recipes and demos lined up, and these will include a number of product reviews and food science related topics. Currently I am under a massive workload, and as a result have only been producing and publishing videos on Wednesdays and Sundays, but I am hoping that things will ease up in order that I can increase the output to 3 episodes per week. In the meantime, the channel does have well over 600 episodes to explore, and we hope to see your continued support in the future. Thanks for joining us today. Please like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you again on Sunday.